श्रीमान् वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्किक केसरी वेदांताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि प्रणामं लक्ष्मणमुनि प्रतिगृह्णातु मामकं प्रसादयति यत्सूक्तिः स्वाधीनपतिकां श्रुति. It's our bhagyam to enjoy the Gunamritam, Kalyana Gunamritam, Bhagavan's Kalyana Gunamritam, the auspicious attributes of Bhagavan Sriyapati Sriman Narayanan, based on Emperumana's wonderful Vakyam Churnikai from Sharanagati Gadyam, Swabhavika Navadikadisaya, Jnana Bala Aishwarya Virya Sakti Tejas Sausilya Vatsalya Mardava Arjava Sauhardha. We have covered so far up to that. Today we will enjoy after Sauhardha Samya. Samya Karunya Madhurya Gambirya Audharya Chaturya Stairya Dhairya Shaurya Parakrama Satyakama Satya Sankalpa Krititva Kritagnyata. Like that, so many gunas, asankhyeya kalyana gunaganoga maharnava. Like that, asankhyeya, numerous, infinite auspicious attributes. The ocean of auspicious attributes, says Ramanuja. So, Samya, this. So, in our world, we see that people who are born in high stature, who are born in a higher family, higher lineage, who are born rich, they do not mix with those who belong to the inferior, lower cadre, who are poor, who are of different class, who are not disciplined, who are not educated, who do not have good behavior, who do not have good character. Like that, we choose. We don't mix with everyone. We don't even look at them. We ignore them. We don't want to mingle with all kinds of, all levels of, all categories of people. We don't do that. So those who are like that are not equal in giving respect or in giving regards to everyone equally. They don't do that. So here Samya means equality. It is an attribute of God. So those, whereas Perumal Sarveshwaran Sriyapati Sriman Narayanan, whoever comes to Perumal, he doesn't see their birth, he doesn't see their discipline, he doesn't see their gunams, he doesn't see their richness, he doesn't see their caliber, quality, character, behavior. He doesn't see anything. He is equally loving and affectionate and protects the devotees without any partiality. God treats all devotees as equal without discriminating them on the basis of high or low status due to caste, due to character, due to profession, due to birth, due to gender, anything. There are numerous episodes in the Puranas to illustrate this virtue of God. Shabariya Pujita Samyak Ramo Dasharatatmajaha. Sabari, she belongs to the hunter family, and she was praised and worshipped. She was given an opportunity to worship the Dasharatha's prince Ramachandra Murti. She prayed to him and worshipped him. She offered him fruits, even though she belonged to the hunter category. In as much as he was taken care and respected by Bharadwaja Muni, when he honored Sri Rama, Sita and Lakshmana, everybody said it's natural that Ramachandra Murti honored Bharadwaja Muni's ashram. He accepted and received the honors from Bharadwaja Muni. He accepted his offering. He consumed the food offered, prasadam offered by Bharadwaja. However, when Shabari gave the fruits with Preeti, Rama also consumed in the same way with same love, as much love as he had in Bharadwaja Muni, in the same way. So Swami Desikan mentions here about the Samatva Gunam, Samyam, Jati, Guna, Vrittadi, Nimnotattvanadarena, Sarvaihi, Ashrayaniyatvam, Samatvam. Jadi Gunavrittadi, Nimnotattva, Anadarena, Sarvaihi, Ashrayaniyatvam, Samatvam. ஜாதி குணம் ஒழுக்கம் இவற்றால் உண்டான ஏற்றத்தாழ்வுகளை பார்க்காமல் எல்லோரும் தன்னை ஆசிரயிக்கும்படி இருக்கை சமத்துவம். He doesn't look at the caste, he doesn't look at the guna, he doesn't look at the discipline, the behavior, he doesn't look at the birth, the education, and he is impartial with all the devotees. Similarly, Malakaran. Malakaran is a person who makes garland for Kamsan, and he was during Krishnavataram, this Malakaran who makes garland of flowers. So he was so fond of Krishna. He had heard of Krishna. He was so devoted to Krishna. And Lord Krishna and Balarama had come to the Kamsa's palace because Kamsan had invited them to kill them. So he sent Akrura and they both landed in the Kamsa's palace. And when they were walking in the streets of Kamsa's kingdom, and this Malakaran, because he had come for Kamsavatam, this Malakaran, this flower vendor, the one who sells flowers, he makes flowers and sells to the king Kamsa. But today he took the opportunity to give and offer this fragrant garland which is made so beautifully with devotion, and he wanted to offer this to Krishna and Balarama. So he saw them on the way and he invited them to their house, and Krishna gleefully, happily, willingly, lovingly, adorably accepted his offer, and he came to his house, this flower vendor's house. And he says, Swami Desikan quotes this verse so beautifully, which we need to enjoy. It's a Vishnu Purana shlokam. Prasada paramau nathau mama gheham upagatau dhanyoham archayishyami ityaha malyopajivanaha. The one who came for Kamsavatam, they should have been ferocious, they should have been angry, they should come with an intent to kill. But when they came to this Malakaran's griham, they were full of anugraham, they were so much of love. And Malakaran sees that, and when he invites them, he says, they came to meet the king, and we are so much low, inferior in stature. We are mere flower vendor. I am a dhanyan, I am a punyashali, and hence I'm going to offer them flowers at their feet and perform prayers. He says loudly with his mouth, and that is this slokam. See Parasarar, sage Parasarar, he is so overwhelmed with joy and pleasantly surprised at the words spoken by the Malakaran. And he says, look at the way he says, Prasada paramau nathau mama gheham upagatau dhanyoham archayishyami. I am a dhanyan and I am going to offer my archanai to puja to Krishna, because I am so fortunate, I am such a punyasali. And this is not Vasishtan, Vishwamitran, Parashara speaking. This is somebody who is selling flowers, who is a roadside vendor, who is surviving simply based on making garland. That Pandaram is able to praise Krishna in such a beautiful, sincere devotion. And Krishna willingly accepts as much as he accepts from Vasishta, from Vishwamitra, from Bharadwaja. And hence We don't have to feel at all let down that we are so low, we do not know anything, we are born so in such behavior, we are not at all having any anushtanam. We don't have to feel scared. Rama and Krishna accept people in with so much of differences without any partiality. Samoham sarvabhuteshu, Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita 9.29. He is not at all partial. He considers everybody equal. And Nammalvar mentions the same. Sharanamagum tanadal adaindarkellam maranamanal vaikundam kodukkum peran. Tanadal adaindarkellam sharanamagum. So ஈடு வியாக்கியானம் சேஸ் ஜன்ம விருத்த ஞானங்களால் குறைய நின்றாரே ஆகிலும். Because of janmam, because of jnanam, because of anushtanam, even if you are falling lack of it, தன் திருவடிகளையே உபாயமாக பற்றினார்க்கெல்லாம் அவன் ரக்ஷகன். Those who surrender to his feet, he becomes rakshakan for all of them, regardless of their birth. சமோகம் சர்வபூதேஷு என்ற கடவதிரே ஈடு வியாக்கியானம். So in terms of birth, in terms of discipline, jnanam, wherever you are, if you perform Sharanagati, he would be protecting us without any partiality. Because of my jnanam, because of my birth, I am so low, I don't have any anushtanam. Will he protect me? We may get suspicious. No need. He says, Anbanagum tanathal adaindarkellam. He is so loving and he loves and he is endearing to everyone, whoever performs Sharanagati. He loves them so much. And மெய்யனாகும் விரும்பித் தொழுவார்க்கெல்லாம், whoever is so much desirous of worshipping him, folding their hands and performing Anjali, he is Sulaban, he is மெய்யன், he is so truthful, he is so sincere. அணியனாகும் தனதால் அடைந்தார்க்கெல்லாம், he is aniyan, means he comes and stands next to us, besides us. He becomes so close to us. So Sharanamagum tanathal adaindarkellam, he becomes rakshakan for all of them who perform Sharanagati. Anbanagum tanathal adaindarkellam, he is so loving and beloved without any pakshapatam, without any partiality to all those who are devoted to him. Meyyanagum vrimbit toluvarkellam, those without any other fruits, only for him, to only enjoy him with ananya prayojana, without thinking of any other fruits. If they want only him, he becomes simply truthful without any partiality. Aniyanagum tanathal adaindarkellam, he becomes so close to us. Look at the way in Ramavataram, Rama and the gang already crossed the ocean, and they were watching from where they crossed the ocean in Lanka, and they were looking at Ravana's palace. Vibhishana was showing that is Ravana's palace. Can you see on the terrace, Ravana is there standing next to few others, and with that kritam, with the crown which is shining, that is Ravana. When he was telling this to Rama and Sugriva nearby, Sugriva immediately jumped. He was missing. Next minute Sugriva was missing, and he jumped to Ravana's palace and he fought with him, and he simply threw away the crown and brought a couple of stones, gemstones which were laid on that crown. He brought it, and now he came and handed over that to Rama. And Rama said, what is it that you did, Maharajan? You should not do such adventurous, daring thing. And if anything happens to you, thank God nothing happened to you. You came back safe. If anything had happened to you, and if some untoward had happened to you, and if we lose you, what is the point? Kim karyam sitaya mama. What is the use in getting winning Sita in this battle. There is no use after I lose you. Like that, he became so endearing to Sugriva Maharaj that he said, I'm shocked, you should not have done that, you should not have gone. ஸோ நாம் அவனை ஆசிரயித்தாலும் நமக்கும் அவன் அவ்வளவு அணியனாக இருப்பான். He would be so endearing to each one of us if we are also devoted to him sincerely. அடியேன் கவிதார்க்கிக சிம்மாய கல்யாண குணசாலினே ஸ்ரீமதே வெங்கடேஷாய வேதாந்த குரவே நமஹ. தன்யோஸ்மி.